morning guys, hope you're all doing really good. So today I'm going to be doing a review video for the company SMOL, I think it's, I'll put the little thing here, basically like eco-friendly cleaning products and that kind of thing. So they've sent me this really cute little package with lots of different things in, and as you can probably tell, I am doing housework today, so I thought today would be the perfect time to try these products out and let you guys know what they're like. I do have a discount code, so I guess you could say this is sort of sponsored, that kind of thing, but I will be honest with my review. If I personally don't think it is good, I'll let you know, but I've had a little sneak preview and they do look really good. As it is eco-friendly, I'm trying to strive towards being more eco-friendly, so when they reached out to me I was like, this is perfect. This is right down my alley and I'm so excited to do this review and try out some new products. So I'm going to flip the camera around, show you what I've got, and then we're just going to clean my house, I suppose. Okay, so this is the little box. Okay, so here it is. I had a little sneak preview yesterday because I just couldn't not open it as soon as it arrived. So we've got some bottles here, which I believe are for cleaning products. So we're going to mix some up in a second. And then we've got this bottle, which is fabric softener, I think. Fabric conditioner. And that comes with a little pump. And I read, because I had no idea how you do it. There you go, it's right there. Just put some in the conditioner compartment. I've got all my bedding to wash, so I'm going to try that in a minute. And then in here, we have got, there you go, I've got them all out. So we've got biological laundry capsules, non-biological laundry capsules, dishwasher tablets, and mixed spray refills. So that's for these bottles, I believe. So I'm really excited to try these. I do need to have a proper read though and make sure that I'm using them for the correct thing. I've got the bathrooms cleaned. I don't have a dishwasher, but I'll give them to my brother and he can try them. And non-biological laundry capsules and biological laundry capsules. Again, I'm not really sure the difference. I think like there's a scientific difference, but I don't know if there's specific things you should use each of these for. So in between now and using these, I'm going to do a quick search online and just double check what I need to do. I love the packaging, really eco-friendly, obviously, because that's kind of their brand. But yeah, there's no plastic apart from the bottles, which you reuse. Everything else is cardboard, and these are really good quality actually. They're really thick, so they feel like they would last. Yeah, that's nice. Right, now we've opened it all up, I'm going to have a Google, like I said, and just make sure that I'm using the right things for the right thing. And then we're going to crack on. We're doing a bit of cleaning, put some washing on, and hopefully these products are good. So far, they look brilliant and really high quality. Okay, a quick Google has established that the biological ones have enzymes in that break down things a lot easier, I guess things like fat, that kind of thing. But the non-biological one is better for sensitive skin. Tell me what you would use and your reasoning for it. I don't know, it's very vague online. To me, unless you have really sensitive skin, I don't see the need to use the non-biological one, because I think ours is biological downstairs, the stuff that we use. I'll show you what we use at the moment. Yeah, so let me know what your reasonings would be and what one you'd use for bedding, for example, because that's what I'm going to wash today. All of that washing. Ugh. Get it all done. It's only 8 in the morning, so I'm doing well. Got my coffee and gonna have a really productive morning so I can just chill out and do some crochet, because I'm making a cardigan at the moment, which I might do a video on because I've missed filming. I haven't filmed for a while, and getting this camera out actually, I don't know, feels good. Okay, so this is the bottled capsules, so to match these little guys. I made an absolute mess of the box because of the child lock, and all I needed to do was read the back, and it was actually really simple, and I just ripped it all. So do not worry, your kids are not going to be able to get into this, because I really struggled and cut my hand because I'm a donut. But that's not their problem. There was a really easy way of doing it on the back, but I just don't have the patience to read, and I ripped the whole thing. So I'm really impressed already with these. They are so simple. This is what I'm going to need today. So this is for bathroom. I guess this is for general house use, but I'll have a look. I'm sure it says in the little manual I got. And you got one for glass, which I think is really cool. And then you have the different bottles. So again, I should read, but you know what I'm like. I would assume one of these bottles is one of these. So that is a lot of spray. It's huge. Look at my hand. that's going to last a long time, in my opinion. I've just had a look at the leaflet, which I should have done beforehand. And did you know, you probably didn't because I didn't say, the packet of this is compostable. So there's literally no waste. Obviously, you keep the bottles, you got all the cardboard that everything comes in, and then even these are compostable. Like, I don't know how you say that word. I say compostable, but you probably say compostable or something different. Forget about that. That doesn't matter. That's just so cool, though. And also, reading this, I'm getting so excited about this. Thank you so much to this company for sending me this, because it's so eye-opening, and it's not something that I would have been exposed to before. Like, it's not something I would have just come across, but I think it's awesome. You get refills sent to you, so you haven't got to worry about running out. It all just automatically comes to you. Right, let's get to it, and we're going to clean the bathroom. Okay, ignore the mess because obviously we're doing that today. So we've got, and then you're just going to filter this line with warm water. There we go. Now you just leave it to sit and it will dissolve. You don't have to mix it or anything. You can see it in the bottom. Okay, I think it's all done now, so all you're going to do is top it up with water to the top of the thing now. Ooh. Smells like a cleaning product. Oh my gosh, that never comes off that easy. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Usually I have to get like a toothbrush to get that off. Let's get a bit more. I genuinely can't believe that's just come off. This is going to be interesting to see what it does in the shower. I think so far the main thing I've noticed is the smell of this stuff. So usually when I'm cleaning the shower specifically, I have to open the window and I can't really breathe a little bit because of all the chemicals. But with this, it does smell like cleaning product, but it doesn't smell chemically. It doesn't smell like it's bad for you. I'll probably open the window just anyway, but I'm not struggling to breathe because of all the chemicals and everything. It's actually quite nice. I don't know, it just feels a lot better for you. And it's somehow cleaned the sink. I still can't get over that. That never cleans that easily. Okay, a quick update. I have now gone in there and scrubbed using just the cloth like I did with the sink, and after adding a little bit of hot water as well from the shower head, it looks really clean. There is still some black mould, so I will be going back in and spraying that with my black mould spray, but I'm quite happy. Most of the black mould like that was under there is gone, which is cool. Again, I will spray it just to be safe. But I think all in all, I'm really happy with the way it cleaned the shower. It feels a lot cleaner, to be honest, because I think it feels less chemically. So obviously, usually before when you clean the shower, I always feel a bit nervous then going back into the shower because I feel like there's loads of chemicals in there. Whereas this one feels really clean and then feels extra clean because I don't feel like I've got the chemicals all over me in there, which is quite cool. Like I said, it would be really good if they had a black mould spray. I think we've also got like lime scale or something. I don't know, it's like chalky, powdery build-up that's really hard and you can't get it off. Again, that would be quite a good one for SMOL to have. Just a recommendation of things that we personally need in our bathroom. Black mould spray is definitely one of them, and the lime scale. But yeah, if that is something that SMOL does, I'll pop it in the description box down below. But if not, SMOL, if you're listening, that would be a really cool thing for you guys to have, because at the moment I'm really happy with the spray. I'm just about to try the glass one. But obviously without the black mould spray, I'd have to still use the traditional plastic bottle, spray bottle for that specifically. But the multi-purpose bathroom spray is really good. Okay, Okay, I've just done the windows of the shower and they look pretty good, to be fair. Like, the spray's good, doesn't smell of anything, like, at all. And it seems to be working. We've got like a little bit of like chalky water here. I don't know if it's called like hard water or something. And that sometimes gets stuck to the glass, so it leaves like marks and everything. And that hasn't come off with this spray, so that's something to bear in mind. But it's not the end of the world. Like, with a bit of elbow grease, you could probably get it off. Okay, I never thought I'd film myself cleaning a toilet, because I'm not a cleaner. I just obviously have to clean my bathroom, my house, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to start off by cleaning what was on the toilet with a little giraffe. I usually work my way down the toilet, so I start from the top. Again, I'm not a cleaner. I have no idea what the best way to do anything is, but this is just how I do it. So any cleaning recommendations, put them down below. Like, I won't be offended because I know I'm not doing it the right way. And I also don't usually wear gloves. I've just bought them because I really don't like cleaning the toilets. And I just thought it would make my life a little bit better. Okay, a review of the mirror. It's a little bit smudgy, that's all. But I always find that the best way to get rid of this is to use dusting spray. So like Mr. Sheen or that kind of thing. And that usually gets rid of the smudges. Okay, I'm about to try this capsule and the fabric conditioner, I think. But I couldn't find an instruction of how to use this. We use powder, this one. So that usually just goes in this tray, but it turns out I found online that you put this in the back before you put the washing in, and then you put the washing in and then it does its stuff. But I thought that should sort of be on the packet. Excuse me if it is on there, like I just couldn't see an instruction. So like on the conditioner one, fabric conditioner, it has an instruction of what to do with it. Whereas this one just has an instruction on how to open it up, but it doesn't. So I think it would be really helpful to have something like this on the back of these boxes for people that aren't used to using capsules, because I've never used one before, didn't know what to do with it. So that's just some constructive criticism. I would say that would be really helpful to have on the back. So I'm now just going to pop this all in. And then we've got a thing that says softener there, so I'm just going to put 4 pumps of the softener in there. And then I'm just going to put it on a normal wash. There you go, we just usually put it on dark wash. Spin so that it comes out a bit drier. I think that's what it does, honestly no idea. And then press, done. Hey guys, so I'm just downloading the videos and I realised that I didn't do an outro or tell you about the washing powder or anything, so I thought I'd quickly jump on and do that now. The washing powder I thought was good. The smell was nice and very subtle, like it wasn't really perfumey. But some of the pillowcases came out a little bit bobbly. I don't know if that's the fabric conditioner, because we've never used that before. So let me know if you know what that is. It might literally just be that they are old and coincidentally they've gone bobbly, but it might be to do with the fabric conditioner or something. So let me know what you think about that down below. But all in all, very happy with it all. I will link SMOL down below and all of the terms and conditions for the discount code that they've given me. I think it's something like 15% off of your first 2 orders or something like that. But I will put it all down below so that you know how much you can get off. And yeah, let me know what you thought of this video and hopefully I can bring you more in the near future. Okay, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video.